Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sophia. Happy birthday to you.
Mama, Becky thinks you're all tough.
Did you make a wish?
I know, I didn't want to. I think you will like a bouncy house, so that's what I was for you.
Sophia, how old are you today?
4.
How do you feel?
Good.
Do you feel like a 4-year-old?
But you are.
What are you going to do for your birthday
Here we
today?
go, Daddy.
Thank you.
What are you going to do for your birthday, Soph?
Show you.
Sophia,
Another one.
what are you going to do for your birthday, Sophia?
Balloon.
Can you answer me? What are you going to do for your birthday?
Have cake.
You are?
For your birthday, but we're having a donut.